Buenas tardes. Good afternoon. Today we're here in Los Gatos. So we start working on the check irrigation. There was old irrigation. We tried to repair and make it work. I finished with that part. So now we gotta check all the lighting. This one's still okay, this part, but we gotta replace this one. We're on the mountains, so the deer can jump the fence and break the lights, like the one is right here. You can see it's torn apart. The light's going, so we gotta find what's the problem. Maybe wire or replace the ball. Plus, we do some electrical wiring here. I have my partners over there working on the water pump and the hole. And we're talking about put another line with the electrical line. So good thing we find lines already existing on the ground. People living ready for the future. So this is my new lines right here already. So we save time and the lines are already in position. All the lights working, so it's a good thing.